Welcome back to quite a grey London. But don't fret, it's Chinese New Year, Year of the Dragon. We're about to get some pics with the X-T5 with the squad. And we're taking you along with me. So let's get into it. Thanks for that. Selfie. What's he look like? I can't see.
Like, he is a racist. Well, I'd argue that he starts off, you know, he changes in the film. That's the whole point. That's yeah, he does. Yeah, but,
Smells good.
So bad.
Julia, do you want anything?
Looking nice, my friends.
It's like asking what his job is.
What do you do for a living? So tonight, fly to Chinatown.
Hey guys, it's me Ty here.
Is it on? No.
It's flashing. Hello.
Hi, I'll just get a sweet pork bun, please. Thank you.
Red bean? Yeah. They're like sweet.
Oh, cheers.
Basically, there's loads of gravy,
Yeah.
and you have to kind of create like a bowl almost.
Okay. Yeah, I get you. Excuse me while I eat this bun. Yeah, you weren't kidding. There's like soup in here, bro. Sun's come out. Closing the gap.
Too far forward.
Nice getting ignored now.
Literally, like no one's leaving now.
Got Julie on the Fuji as well.
Literally, yay.
Just the little one, the baby train. Little baby one coming through. Woo! Oh, it's so cute, man. Bring it on.
I thought it was just one dragon.
Bring it on, yeah. Oh, there's someone in there, dude. It's got a 360.
That's what you need, yeah.
London bus in Chinatown.
Photos just look crazy.
Julia's got some bangers as well, man.
No, you can't.
Can we go in?
Oh, don't worry about it.
Roll your boat. Here we go. VIP. VIP, baby.
He looks done as well.
Yeah, he's pretty bored, isn't he?
Yeah.
I love how he's got like
maps up on his phone.
How can you get lost?
They've got the best bus drivers in the world.
Oh yeah, I haven't been looking at these ones, so he's drawn us. No, it's not Oh, imagine if he just stalled the bus. That would be free Chinese takeover. Yeah, Chinese takeover.
Horseman, let's go.
You lost an eye though.
I'm your #1 fan. Monkey Man.
I feel like the dragon looks quite good, but if it was like the year of the rat,
They might just have a little rat on a little pole
Is
up
it
his,
the new
up
year
his bum.
always a dragon? I don't know.
the year of the
Oh yeah, where's Tiger at? Yo, Tiger. No, it's not. Just saw a good photo. All right, give you guys a bird's eye. What can you guys see up there? How's the weather up there? How was it up there? What did you see? Let me know in the comments. What can you see that I couldn't? You let me know. Anything naughty? Anything dodgy? This one's a banger. Hey. Oh. Why is that the reaction?
It sounded like the little aliens from
Yeah.
Serengeti.
The claw.
Oh, yeah, the claw.
Oh. I'm too slow.
There are loads of phones around as well. Which is
Oh, that would have been good. I photograph other photographers. That's kind of my thing. Photoception. Oh, you got the little kid touching. Yeah, I was trying to get that. Little porky.
Oh, okay.
What's going on there? It's got more important matters. Hey, let's go. Yes, Julia, yes.
Yes. Let's go.
Yeah, I don't have a 360 cam, guys, so this is the best we're gonna get. Soju?
Should we get a bottle?
Should you actually? Yeah, a bottle each, mate, come on. Soju a day keeps the doctor away. Oh, it smells nice today, man. Can I just get the original fresh dinner roll, please? Just one to the left. Yeah, perfect, thank you. Nice one, thank you very much. If you don't know, get to know. Soju bros hitting the town.
You done that
Daytime.
already then?
Only just woken up. I'm already on the fucking. Already on the.
Yeah, you have to open yours up and you should then ask him. And hopefully everyone else will.
Sun's out, bun's out. Definitely a mix of people here. All walks of life. That's one of the good things about London. They're man in the same spot trying to take the same pic. And so am I. Casino. Should have said earlier. Getting some slots. I should have brought all that money I'd saved. £0.
Cash out.
Who's that?
Where? Whose idea was this?
Yeah. Introvert's worst nightmare. Oh, hello.
Why is this side moving the side?
Covered in adults, you're
Oh,
right.
finally.
Covered in adults. I don't know what that's supposed to mean.
Yeah, that was a weird. I heard that.
That is sick fantasy. Better than children, isn't it?
I don't know, just wait in the middle. I think the stores are that side.
Today?
We look after you guys.
Mum!
We're good?
We move.
So, none of us knew this, but the restaurant we were heading to, One Key, was actually dubbed one of London's rudest restaurants. Sort of like a running joke. Apparently they used to have people sitting on the staircase eating their Chinese. Honestly, I would have filmed more, but I was scared for my life.
No, you just
You know what it is, boys.
I assume that,
They can't correct,
assume that
come to
means
the Chinese.
also specify country.
You know what I'm
I'll
saying?
save one.
Just in case. Then you can have
Not gonna lie.
Yes, sir.
Well, again, he's always on his bike. It was on a random. There's one thing which is like an ice cream bar.
There we are. What is it saying? You tell me. So that was wonky, guys. 30 bob a head. I tell you, I'm feeling a bit wonky now, bro, to say the least. Shout out to TikTok.
Big plates.
Big plates.
Not littles.
Right there. Let's be having here. Let's be having it. Let's be having here. Or take 2 pop and half pop.
How you don't be talking to me like that now? You're taking a piss out of me, actually, now.
What's a man got to do for a pasty round here?
And they got bodied. Got bodied. Got bodied.
Yeah, I did.
China's got talent. You saw it here first. Like a strange talent to have, though, isn't it? Like,
It's a lot of concentration with that.
imagine you tell your friends, yo, I wanna do this as like a career. Like. So yeah, we're here. Obviously, like we're in like Leicester Square and that. But obviously, I bumped into my man. Like, do you wanna just walk us through the fit that you got on?
Yeah. So this one, yeah. Little arc.
Yeah, little arky and that.
Simple.
Yeah, cold.
On the back, we got arc.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Oh, cold. Yeah, see the arc. Yeah.
Down low, we got a little stone. A little stone.
Little stone. Yeah.
Something light.
You're killing them birds with one stone, if you know what I'm saying, bro.
Something light. And then that downstairs.
I can't even go that low. Hold on. Oh, there we go. You see that. The newbies, the dad shoes, but
Rocking with some MBs.
MBs.
Comfort's key.
NBs.
Timeless. Look at that colorway.
All right, you lots are in Waterloo now. Heading to Leek Street Arches. We're gonna see what's going down over here. Oh, they got the motorbikes here, bro. I should have pulled up. On the 1-2 Fizzy. Okay, we got some biker chicks here. Man, what a day that was. What a day. We're ending this one here. Let me know what you thought of the video, of course, in the comments below. And catch you in the next one.